To use Google Meet as a screencast function, go to your classroom, launch a Google Meet from an assignment. This will ensure that the recording will actually go to the folders for your class. Join the Google Meets. In the bottom right corner with the three dots, choose Record Meeting. It'll ask for consent. You can give yourself consent. Record your meeting. In the bottom right corner under Present Now, choose the Google Chrome tab that you're going to use for your source. In this case scenario, I'm choosing the essay, and then start to give feedback. It's already recording my audio, so in this scenario, the advent of equality, the existence of equality is debatable. I can talk about debatable and how the readers already established for the audience that whatever they're saying can be wrong and people will be against. People haven't. Elevate diction. I've forgotten about the numerous racial stereotypes. Racial stereotypes, although important, is off topic, etc. When I'm done with that, I can go back to my Google tab, stop presenting, and stop recording. Once I stop recording, that will then save this automatically to my Google Drive. It will be within my Google Drive. You can go to your Drive and you can go to your Meets folder. Here is my Meets recording. Under the Meet recordings, it'll have my most recent one, which can be seen here at 524. It'll have a long string of names that you can then change, but you will see that my screencast recording is there. So again, feel free to change the name here with a right click. You can rename this to be whatever information that you want. Feedback on essay quarantine quadro group. And I click the OK, and now I can use this the same way I would use anything else. Submit that to the student, share that with the student, and give them or him or the group the feedback that they need.